You know that common popping sound from cracking your knuckles? Many people think it's the sound of bones grinding together, but the real science behind that noise is much less alarming. The actual explanation reveals it's not your bones at all. Inside each knuckle joint is a capsule filled with a special fluid. When you stretch that joint, you lower the pressure inside, allowing dissolved gases to quickly form a tiny bubble. The cracking sound you hear is that bubble rapidly collapsing on itself. This fascinating process is called tribonucleation. So that pop isn't a sign of damage, it's simply the sound of a gas bubble forming and collapsing in fluid. It's a harmless bit of physics happening right in your own hands.